Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is probably not a Draper security lock. I know it says Draper security and it says it's the 8302 50 or 50mm padlock, but I suspect it's actually made by Federal. Why do I think that? Well, let's compare it to an admittedly larger lock, but this is the Federal F50, very similar body profile, same sort of colour bumper, but the real giveaway I think is in the keys. When you compare it to the one that comes with the Draper, you can see that they're exactly the same key, exactly the same keyway. So that's why I suspect that this is actually made by Federal for Draper, or something like that. Maybe I'm wrong, but I've suspected this of other Drapers in the past, so I think I'm probably right. The key actually is relatively well bitted with some low pins followed by a high pin in the middle, and that's not a bad configuration. It could be better bitting, but it's not too bad. Now it says it's got mushroom pins or mushroom spools or mushroom pin tumblers. Does it have them? I think it might actually have mushroom pins in it. Basically because it does pick inconsistently, not as consistent as standard spools. So it could just be something in you know, the properties of this lock which makes it pick inconsistently, but it could also be mushroom pins. So let's give it the benefit of the doubt and say it's got mushroom pins in. Pick it with a Sparrow short hook. Just going in, see what I can pick. Little click on 3. Pin 1 now binding heavily all the way to the top. Pin 2, a tiny movement there. I can feel pin 4 now. Just give it a tiny click. There we go. 5, 4. Anybody else? Oh, there you go. Pin 1 again. Pin 3. Pin 2. So who's holding this up? 5, 4, 3, 2. Ah, there we go. And we got an open. So yeah, little false set in there. Feels a bit gritty. Quite easy to overset. So it possibly has some serrated key pins in. Hard to tell really. I can't see any serrations on the key pin at the front. But maybe it just doesn't sit low enough for me to find out. So that's a Draper Security or Federal 50mm padlock with mushroom tumblers, and yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time.